Hi, I'm Holly Clegg, author of the cookbook Trim and Terrific Diabetic Cooking. Do you have a sweet tooth and think if you've been diagnosed with diabetes, you never could have sweets again? Not so. Yes, you can. But you do want to make sure it's always a part of your healthy meal plan. My favorite peanut butter cookie is diabetic friendly and gluten-free. And you'll always find that I have them in my freezer. So, if you have 5 ingredients and 5 minutes, let's get started. I know you will enjoy my peanut butter cookies. They're diabetic, delicious, and gluten-free. Remember, everyone's condition is different, so you always want to check with your doctor before you make any dietary changes.